Today we are celebrating birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sahab. Respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir and all teachers and my dear friends, I am here to especially deliver a speech on this accuse. First, a very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to speak in front of so many teachers and students. Really, it means a lot. I really delighted to say that I always love to speak whenever topic and subject Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar because subject actually very close to my heart. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, whenever talk about him, they always limit him to leader of downtrodden. He was principal architect of Dalit. He was limited to only for this work. But he was not be confident. He was more than what people talk about. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is still not fully understood or appreciated by the general man, but people talk about him a messiah of downtrodden, of chief architect of Indian Constitution. He was justice. He was first law minister of in Nehru. Have a nice thank you.
Morning, all of you. My name is Surya Vasi of class 3rd. I am going to deliver and my thought is life should be great rather than long. Have a nice day. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. Myself Surya Khatun of standard 2nd. I am standing here to present and my thought is they cannot forget to get history to forget history. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today 14 April we are celebrating 14 April. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Safi Parin of standard 7. I am standing here to present a speech and my speech. The Ambedkar Jayanti was celebrated on 14th April of every year. The day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. The Dr. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891, but the day is being celebrated since 1957. The government has declared it a national holiday since 2005. The day is especially celebrated by the Buddhists. On the day, people visit Chaitya Bhumi in Mumbai and Daksh Bhumi in Nagpur to commemorate their leader. In Maharashtra, 14 April is celebrated as Knowledge Day to pay tribute to our Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Indian Post has issued several stamps featuring Dr. Ambedkar on them as a tribute to him. Ambedkar Jayanti is called by the name Bhim Jayanti in many parts of the nation. The United Nations has also been celebrated the Ambedkar Jayanti since 2016. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar born in 14 April 1491 and his full name is Dr. Bhim Ramji Ambedkar. His education graduation in many, for example, London Education and Politics. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Farhan Khan, class 7. My speech is Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated on 14 April every year to celebrate Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar birthday. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution as he drafted the Constitution of India. He was a leader of delights or the backward class people of India. He was the first law minister of independent India. He was a true social reformer. He worked for equality for all Indians. He organized various movements such as the Dalit Buddhist movement, Anati caste movement. It is
Ambedkar birthday. He was born on 14th April 1891. Every year, this day is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti. We all know him as father of the Indian Constitution, but his contribution is not limited to just this. He was a very talented person. He was a politician, a social reformer, a true justice, and an economist. He always fought against the injustice prevalent in Indian society. He was the leader of the Dalits. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, respected principal sir, respected vice principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today I have been honored to tell a few lines about Father of Constitution Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. First, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me this great opportunity, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti speech. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was 14 April 1891, and every 14 April is celebrated of Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Ambedkar was the man of rich personality. He was the first Dalit to complete his education. He had done to PhD. He was the master of 64 subjects. He could speak 11 languages proficiently. He had done a lot of work for our society. Was the first one to start movement against the caste system of India and for her temple's entry of everyone. He had changed religion from Hindus to Buddhism.
Good morning to the Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all staff and my dear friends. My name is Sia Parveen and I welcome all of you to the Ambedkar Jayanti celebration. I would like to say few words about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. I hope you like my words. Today is 4th April and on the day was celebrated his birthday of the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar as Dr. Jayanti. He was a great economic, political and social reformer of India. He is also called the father of Indian Constitution. His father name was Bhima Ramji Satpal and his mother name was Bhimbai Satpal. He became the first Law Minister of India Independence who was the award of Bharat Ratna in 1990. Ambedkar obtained of doctorate in combination of the London School of Economic.
Good morning all of you, myself Shraddha of Standard 7th. I am going to deliver a short speech on Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, 14 April 1891, popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was an Indian jurist, economist, political and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movements and campaigns against social discrimination. Today's the untouchables. We will also supporting the rights of women and laborers. He dies on 6 December 1956. Thank you and have a nice day.
Myself Ayush Kumar Anchal, class 7th. I am standing here to speech respected principal, teacher, parent and all my dear friends. Today I am going to share with you a few words about Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was a great social reformer, a justice and policy. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Mau, Madhya Pradesh. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Good morning to the Honorable Director, sir, respect Principal, sir, and Vice Principal, sir. I am Samina Khatun from Standard 8. I am going to share a speech about a Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Happy Ambedkar Jayanti 2022 wishes and quotes to celebrate the day. First was the birthday of Baba Saheb Ambedkar was celebrated for the first time on 14 April 1928. 1928 by Janardhan Sadashiv Ranapes, a social activist. When Bhimrao Ambedkar was born to a poor Dalit father Ramji Mauloji Sakpal and mother Bhimbai in a small Mohu village of Madhya Pradesh, nobody knew that he would grow to be a great leader. Every year he is but that 14 April 1891 is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti in India. He introduced separate reserved seats for all lower castes to promote the states in society. Have a nice day. Thank you.
First Minister of Laws and Justice of India. He was the father of the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 40 April 1891. His whole constitution provide British India, which we know today as Dr. Bhimrao. Thank you.
आज 14 अप्रैल का दिन है और यह दिन जो है हमारे देश के इतिहास का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। इसके बारे में आपको आज केवल इंडिया में ही नहीं बल्कि हमारे देश के लोग जहाँ जहाँ भी हैं, हर देश में, चाहे वह अमेरिका हो, चाहे वह इंग्लैंड हो, चाहे वह रसिया हो, जहाँ जहाँ हमारे भारतीय लोग हैं, आज जो है इस डेट को, इस महत्वपूर्ण जो है ऐतिहासिक तारीख को वे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे होंगे। उन्होंने जो है सारी कठिनाइयों को झेलते हुए और उन्होंने ऐसी शिक्षा प्राप्त की कि उनके शिक्षा का आज जो है यह कहा जा रहा है कि उनके जैसा शिक्षा में डिग्री प्राप्त करने वाला कोई व्यक्ति नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि वह जो है 4 विषय में उन्होंने जो है डिग्रियां प्राप्त की, 4 जो है उन्होंने डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री प्राप्त की। और इस तरह से जो है उन्होंने जो है अपने को साबित कर दिया कि शिक्षा जो है ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि शिक्षा के माध्यम से आदमी किसी भी ऊंचाई तक पहुंच सकता है।
Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to share with you a few words about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sahab. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a great social reformer, jurist, economist, politician and philosopher. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891 in Mahu, Madhya Pradesh. He himself has faced a lot of injustice in his life. He strongly believed that education should be provided to all sections of the society. He completed his higher education from Bombay University, Columbia University and London School of Economics. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar left his world on 6 December 1956. He given the title of Bharat Ratna in 1990. Dr. Ambedkar life is such a wonderful example of struggle and success that rarely seen elsewhere. Thank you.
Respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, all teachers and all dear students, good morning all of you. Today we are celebrating the birthday of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and I am getting pleasure to present a speech about him. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891. Every year we celebrate this day as Ambedkar Jayanti. We all know him as the father of the India Constitution. He was a very talented person. He was a politician, a social reformer, a jurist and an economist. He always fought against the injustice prevalent in India's society. And he became the Law Minister of India in 1947. Thank you. Have a nice day.
मैं डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर साहब की जयंती पर अपने 4 पंक्तियों को समर्पित करता हूँ। मैं अपने गीत गज़लों से उन्हें आगाज़ करता हूँ। मैं अपने गीत गज़लों से उसे आगाज़ करता हूँ। उसी की दी हुई दौलत उसी के नाम करता हूँ। उसी की दी हुई दौलत उसी के नाम करता हूँ। दिए का काम है जलना, हवा का काम है चलना। दिए का काम है जलना, हवा का काम है चलना। वो अपना काम करती है, मैं अपना काम करता हूँ। वो अपना काम करती है, मैं अपना काम करता हूँ। थैंक यू।
आदरणीय मैनेजर साहब, वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर, सहायक सभी अध्यापक गण एवं अध्यापिकाएँ, प्यारे बच्चों एवं बच्चियों, आज देश के महान विभूति डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर साहब की जयंती हम लोग मना रहे हैं। आज यह जयंती पूरे देश में ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व में मनाई जा रही है। डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर का जीवन परिचय आपको बता दूं। डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर भारत को संविधान देने वाले एक महान नेता डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर साहब का जन्म 14 अप्रैल सन 1891 ईस्वी को मध्य प्रदेश के एक छोटे से गांव में हुआ था। डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर के पिता का नाम रामजी मालोजी सकपाल और माता भीमाबाई था। अपने पिता की 14वीं संतान के रूप में जन्मे डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जन्मजात प्रतिभा संपन्न व्यक्ति थे। डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर साहब माहर जाति में आते थे, जिसे लोग अछूत और बेहद निचला वर्ग के मानते थे। बचपन में डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर के परिवार के साथ सामाजिक और आर्थिक रूप से गहरा भेदभाव किया जाता था। भीमराव अंबेडकर के बचपन का नाम रामजी सकपाल था। अंबेडकर के पूर्वजों लंबे समय तक ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की सेना में कार्य करते थे और उनके पिता ब्रिटिश भारतीय सेना की मऊ छावनी में सेवा में थे। भीमराव के पिता हमेशा ही अपने बच्चों की शिक्षा पर जोर दिया करते थे। 1894 ईस्वी में भीमराव अंबेडकर के पिताजी सेवानिवृत्त हो गए और उसके 2 साल बाद उनकी माताजी का देहांत हो गया। देहांत हो जाने के बाद उनकी पालन पोषण उनकी चाची ने किया। 4 अगस्त सन 1930 को एक शोषित वर्ग के सम्मेलन के दौरान अंबेडकर ने राजनीतिक दृष्टि को दुनिया के सामने रखा, जिसके अनुसार शोषित वर्ग की सुरक्षा उसकी सरकार और कांग्रेस दोनों से स्वतंत्र होने में है। आगे 14 अक्टूबर 1956 को नागपुर में अंबेडकर ने खुद और अपने समर्थकों के लिए एक औपचारिक सार्वजनिक समारोह का आयोजन किया और अंबेडकर ने एक बौद्ध भिक्षु से पारंपरिक तरीके से 3 रत्न ग्रहण कर पंचशील और को अपनाते हुए बौद्ध धर्म ग्रहण कर लिया, स्वीकार कर लिया। सन 1948 में अंबेडकर मधुमेह से पीड़ित थे और जून से अक्टूबर तक 1954 तक वो बहुत बीमार रहे। इस दौरान वो 9 दिन अवसाद और कमज़ोर होने वाली दृष्टि से ग्रस्त थे। 6 दिसंबर 1956 को अंबेडकर जी इस दुनिया को अलविदा कहा गए। बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर कहा करते थे, अच्छा दिखने के लिए मत जियो, अच्छा दिखने के लिए मत जियो, बल्कि अच्छा बनने के लिए जियो। जो झुक सकता है वह सारी दुनिया को झुका सकता है। डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अंबेडकर की यह पंक्तियां हैं जो उनको इस ऊंचाई पर पहुंचाने में कारगर हुई। वह दुनिया को अपने सामने झुका दिया। जो व्यक्ति झुक जाता है वह दुनिया को झुका सकता है। यह उनका संदेश है कि संघर्ष करो, आगे बढ़ो, तो आपके जीवन में तमाम कठिनाइयाँ आएंगी। उन कठिनाइयों को झेलते हुए, संघर्ष करते हुए, शिक्षा एक ऐसी चाबी है जो दुनिया के किसी भी दरवाजे को खोल सकती है, किसी भी ऊंचाई पे जाया जा सकता है। इसलिए बाबा साहब से प्रेरणा लेते हुए आप शिक्षा ग्रहण करें और अपने परिवार, अपने गांव, तहसील, जिला, प्रदेश, विद्यालय सबका नाम रोशन करने का काम करें। यह सब सारी शुभकामनाओं के साथ जय हिंद, नमो बुद्धाय।
आदाब, सलाम, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, गुड मॉर्निंग। द ऑनरेबल डायरेक्टर ऑफ GC Little Flower, the respected principals and honorable teachers of GC Little Flower schools, and my dear students, today nation is celebrating Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's birth anniversary. As you know that his full name was Bhimrao Ramaji Ambedkar, who was born on 14th April 1891, was an Indian jurist. He was an economist and he was one of the greatest Dalit leaders or the leaders of downtrodden. I'm really very much happy to celebrate his birth anniversary today. He headed the committee drafting the Constitution of India from the Constituent Assembly debates. He served as Law and Justice Minister in the first cabinet of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of our country. He also inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement after renouncing Hinduism. Ambedkar graduated from Elphinstone College, University of Bombay, now it is Mumbai, and studied economics at Columbia University of America at the London School of Economics, receiving doctorates in 1927 and 1923 respectively. He was among a handful of Indian students who had done so at either institution in the year 1920s. He also trained in the law at Gray's Inn, London. In his early career, he was an economist, he was a professor, and he was a great lawyer. His later life was marked by his political activities. He became involved in campaigning and negotiating for India's independence. Publishing journals, advocating political rights and social freedom for Dalits, and contributing significantly to the establishment of the state of India. In 1956, he converted to Buddhism, initiating mass conversion of Dalits. In 1990, the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, was posthumously conferred on Ambedkar. The salutation Jai Bhim, literally Hail Bhim, used by followers, honors him. He is also referred to by the honorific Baba Sahib. Baba Sahib has fought against the exploitation, against the malpractices of the society, which have been handed down from generation to generation. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sahib, who acquired 4 PhD from Columbia University, the London School of Economics, Osmania University of Hindustan, that is Bharat, India, and 1 PhD in LLB. The nation cannot forget his contribution. The people of the world cannot forget his contribution. He fought tirelessly. He fought enthusiastically against the exploitations that has been handed down from generation to generation. He was the member of the Parliament of Rajya Sabha for Bombay State during the era of Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji, and in the era of Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru Sahab, he was the first Minister of Law and Justice. डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर साहब की बहुत सारी घटनाएं आप शेयर किए, हमारे टीचर्स के माध्यम से आप सुने, मेरे माध्यम से आप सुने। चंद अशार उनके लिए मैं पेशे खिदमत। दलित इस देश में सदियों से हर दिन जुल्म सहता है। दलित इस देश में सदियों से हर दिन जुल्म सहता है। ये वो धरती है जिस पर रोज उसका खून बहता है। दलित इस देश में सदियों से हर दिन जुल्म सहता है। ये वो धरती है जिस पर रोज उसका खून बहता है। वो मजहब भी तो दुश्मन है जिसे वो अपना कहता है। दलित इस देश में सदियों से हर दिन जुल्म सहता है। कभी इस देश में नंगा घुमाते हैं उसे वहशी, कभी इस देश में फांसी लगाते हैं उसे वहशी। कभी इस देश में नंगा घुमाते हैं उसे वहशी, कभी इस देश में फांसी लगाते हैं उसे वहशी, कभी इस देश में जिंदा जलाते हैं उसे वहशी। दलित इस देश में सदियों से हर दिन जुल्म सहता है। जरा सी बात पर उसका कहीं घर फूंका जाता है, जरा सी बात पर उसका घर कहीं फूंका जाता है, जरा सी बात पर उसका कहीं घर फूंका जाता है, कहीं उसकी बेटी बहू के तन को नोचा जाता है। दलित इस देश है, दलित इंसान है, ऐसा यहाँ कब सोचा जाता है? दलित इंसान है ऐसा यहाँ कब सोचा जाता है? दलित इस देश में सदियों से हर दिन जुल्म सहता है। वो इतना जल नहीं पीता कि जितने अश्क पीता है, वो इतना जल नहीं पीता कि जितने अश्क पीता है। युगों से धर्म का मारा है और फाकों में जीता है, न उसके साथ रामायण न उसके साथ गीता है। दलित इस देश में सदियों से हर दिन जुल्म सहता है। दलित के वास्ते आया है देखो दौर ये कैसा, दलित के वास्ते आया है देखो दौर ये कैसा, कि उसके रहनुमाओं को फकत अब चाहिए पैसा। दलित के वास्ते आया है देखो दौर ये कैसा, कि उसके रहनुमाओं को फकत अब चाहिए पैसा। उसे मिल जाए रहबर काश फिर अंबेडकर जैसा। दलित इस देश में सदियों से हर दिन जुल्म सहता है। Many thanks to all guests who are present in before of me, I shall be highly obliged to all of you that you have given me a golden opportunity to deliver my thoughts, my speech on the Messiah of Dalit, the Messiah of downtrodden, the architect of the Indian Constitution. Jai Hind, Jai Bhim. Thank you.